Hi and welcome, I am here today with Realme 8 and I'll be showing you a quick camera preview. So, let's open up the camera. Let's start from the far left. First we've got the night mode, which allows us to take better photos in the dark. Then we've got the video mode, which allows us to record videos. We've got the photo mode, which allows us to take photos. We've got the portrait mode, which allows us to take portrait photos. We've got 64 megapixels camera, which basically expands the resolution. And small, we've got the dual view video, slow motion, time lapse, movie, expert mode, panorama, text scanner, and ultra macro mode. Let me just leave it. In the top left corner, we've got the flash. We can turn it off, on, make it automatic, or simply feel the light. Let's turn it off. We've got the artificial intelligence scene enhancement. We've got the timer, and we've got the settings where we can change, for example, the video resolution, slow motion video resolution, and video encoding. And that's basically everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.